What's going on, YouTube? It's the day after the big blizzard, February 1st, 2015, or February 2nd, 2015. I'm just riding into work. We got about, I don't know, 15 inches of snow or better. And, it's about 9:30. I'm an hour late for work right now. You can see people are still stuck trying to get out. And it's pretty miserable outside. It took me an hour to shovel out, and I have a single car driveway. It's awfully pretty though. It just sucks to drive in. Anyways, YouTube, I hope you have a wonderful February 2nd, 2015. And I hope you enjoyed my short video of a winter wonderland. I'm just outside of Chicago. Actually, I'm driving through Aurora, Illinois right now. And this is the first and only significant snowfall we've had this year. I think we had a couple inches here and there, but nothing like this. We got dumped on yesterday. Super Bowl Sunday. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time. Peace out. Later.